Kublai pi baro kani gade gadu dashan Meghalaya bat ngi priang sobhaya pi baro sha kathup khubor mata ka janmit shaban phaj ki khubor ki babnia ngi nya pechai ki mat pakongsan am ailat ka sarkar yanu ban shim yak an halaka jongkakti ong usambot menteri rangba uba preston tingso an pentrekam ka sarkar ya kaptu katni ki project ki basang dor laispa san folklore tingka ban pin km ya ki tilong hakawa yo bat ganol ong menteri katnat PHE Marcus Marak Batha usambut menteri rangba ya CEO ke SMB bat ya director katnat penroy sar ban pin shisha ya ki jingtip lingba ke RTI Binyau kaseng HYC halor ke jingkan tho usambut menteri rangba ke jila uba preston tinsong. Bat pediang ke Raj Bhavan Shillong ban rakhi ya ke lingku sniseng ke bahan ru pusau jong ke jila Maharashtra bat Gujarat. Ki khubor ki babnia. Hadian ke jingja kawang petrol bom haki police station bat ki office sarkar usambut menteri rangba badai kemi ru ya katanat kampo yeng uba presun tensong ula batha ya DGP ban pentikna bakum kini ki jingja kin amjasyo ula kedawru bakam shim ladon ki jing bam shongsuk ha kanong ba haba ki jing ya kawang petrol bom ya ki kali bat ki office sarkar ki yaja nakapor shakapor ula pin scam ba ka sarkar kan am ailat yano ru ban shim ya ka an hala ka jongkakti Katkum uba preston ladap ai jingmut shabaro ki shakri sarkar bakin pikir bha ya ki kali bat ki jingdon jongki ula kedawru manang penjur ya ka jing pahara hasilong bat ula ong ba ka sarkar kandang khmi thu ya ka jing ai jingmut banwan ra shu ki bor pahara nolor ki baladon
We will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again. And we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place.
Kajing kala kasun beneng bat kajing shit ha kajela kala nang kiu ha Meghalaya ha kaba kala don kajing kerdo ha Shillong bat tura ha kitayo balala bat kani kajing long kan nang kham sniu lada uslap uslam banwan ka sarkar Meghalaya hinin kasngi kala penlong ya kajing yalang bat kitanat baper bat menteri rangba bat chief secretary kila shimkia ya kani kajing long ha Shillong bat tura Menteri katanat PHE Marcus Marak ulapan pau ya ka jing sngokia jong halor ka jing duna ha kitilong ha Shillong batura kabala penlong ya kisnong kithau ban kerdu Menteri ulapan tip ru baka sarkar kathmu ban pentrekam ya ki kattu katni ki project basong dor laispa san folklore tingka ban pin km ya kitilong ha kawa yo bat ganol ki ba pendap ya ka Shillong batura
In Shillong city, at least the water flow has already gone down. Flow of the water has gone down in every sources, even in Shillong also. So that is why most of the localities might be facing this acute shortage of water. We can't do anything with this. As you all know, this is related to the global warming, climate change issues. There in Garhas also, in Pira also, you won't believe, now flow is only 20%. Flow is only 20%. What will happen next? We are so scared. In the next 1 month, if rain doesn't come, then there will be severe crisis we will be facing.
Usembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong ula betha ya CEO jong ka Shillong Municipal Board bat director katanat Penroi Sor ban Penshisha ya ki jingtip kat kum ka RTI ba shispa saupu pratali na ki laispa saupu artali ki Longyeng ha Harijan Colony ki long ki ba Shushong Bian. Kasang hinyo terap Youth Council lingba ka RTI kalalap ba shispa saupu artali ki Longyeng na ki laispa saupu artali ki Longyeng ha Harijan Colony ki day ki Bashong Bian. Haba jubab ya ka jingkeli uba Preston ulaong ba CEO ka Shillong Municipal Board ba director katanat Penroi Sor kin sa Penshisha halor kani. Bat ula banru ba labatha ya ki ban penbiang ya ki jingtip ba benya halor kani ka benta bat lada don kam wat ki jing penshai.
RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 352, they found out that it was only 194 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back with the detail too.
Kaseng hinyo trap Youth Council menta kasni kalapan pau ya kejing so binyau halor kejing kentho usembut Menteri Rangba kejela uba Preston Tensong bat ong ba kaseng kamla ban pediang ya kani bah kanu karukam bat balai kadon kejing bakla ha ka RTI kabala IT sya usembut Menteri Rangba Presiden ke HYC Usamla Roy Kupar Syndrome ula ong ba ya ka RTI la ai syaki dakatanat badai pej kata ka Shillong Municipal Board bat ban ong ba ka SMB ka ai jingtip ka bamdai shisha ti kumta u officer u badai kemi unhab ban shim jingkit khli dalade halor kani ka benta.
The statement given by the Deputy CM yesterday that he will be sending it again to the SMB and to the Urban Affairs Department to re-verify. It is a joke in one way, because how can he send our representation to the same department which has replied to our RTI? I mean, how will that change? Will they change the data now? Will they change the facts now? If they do that, then they'll be in more trouble, because how can you make a person who is not an employee of SMB after we have raised this issue, now they'll say that he is an employee of the SMB, which is not possible. But at the end of the day, the people knows we have raised this question, this issue from the beginning, and we're sticking to our demands, to our opinions.
Kasang hinyo trap Youth Council kala tho sya u Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills u SC Sadhu kabadawa ban penlong jing keren mardor halor ka jingsa bean jong kibriu halum survey haka shiti kabala tho haka arpusan terik jong ubnai yayong arhajar arpusau ka HYC kala penshai bakidon palat ya ka prapo hadu shispa teliki Longyeng bean haka te ka jaka kabab pensngokya halor ka rukom im kaba isat met bat ka jingdon kti hakikam bean watla kaladon ka mukadma badang sa teng jongki shibenta ka jaka ka HYC kala kentu ban weng kloi ya kinong sa bean bat hakaju kapor kala kentu ya Deputy Commissioner ban penlong ya ka jingjurip lang hapo shitayo da ka bamaham ya ka jing penshisha shimet lada amle Shen.
We want that there should be a spot verification, or there should be a spot inquiry where the district administration, the defense estate officer, as well as those persons who are involved in the litigation, they should be present on the spot, so that they can show the authorities concerned, see, these are the property or these are the land that are in dispute, and the rest, which is settled by these illegal settlers, they are not under dispute. So that after clarifying that fact, the district administration as well as the DEO can take necessary steps to evict these people. So we have written this letter and we have given them a time of 1 week to conduct a spot inquiry, and after that spot inquiry we urge the necessary and the concerned authority to take action.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tinsong ula pentip bala IT ya shibenta jongka Western Bypass syaka NHI DCL na kabenta banchna surok. Ula ya thu bala dep penbiang na dong syadong bat kajing yo ya kajaka la IT shibenta da baro arngut ki Deputy Commissioner syaka NHI DCL. Ukermen basyan ka sorkar kan sa IT ya baro shilinter syaka NHI DCL banchna surok. Bat ha kabayadai bat kasurok Shillong Dauki ula ong ba kam kalanang yat syaprang jong ka benta beningkong bat baar jong kani ka project na surok.
I do review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong Dauki Road, and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Khasi and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHIDCL, because the work order also has been issued to the contractors.
Dakilak ngut kinong boot kilaya lumlang ha babet para ha West Garo Hills panya shimbenta ha kacaran tala mela. Baju penlong manla usnem ban mani ya kablay kali. Gipat riunget na kijela baper kilawan syakani kamela kabadai kajingya lumlang kabahe tam jong ki Hindu harilom Garo. Lasdang yakani nadu ka arp kundai tarik bat laipo tarik uleber bat kashi tarik ujemang. Kipat riunget kilayeng nadu kapor minstep ban aingo aidem ki donru ki balayat kijat nadu na jengai ki riu pau khamat ki balalong kilaong ba hausnem khat khandai spa anru pesan kablai kali kalawan pau ha ka jingpo sneu ban pendu no ya ka jingpang nyangkhar nadu kata kapor kani kata masa kala pen kaladur ya ki jaka mani blai kabarit syaka temple kabadon ya ki blai thau na ki jaka bajengai bala kersan da ka jing ai jing yarap ki riunget bat na ka sarkar. Kidukot jongka Executive Committee jongka Dorbar Shnong Maukar Ringkat bat kihe ka Shillong Municipal Board hene kasngi kila lejngo ya ka project pinyang kali babun mala hastan jayaw mot pran. Kani ka project kahap hapo ka Shillong Smart City Mission kalaya kendu ya ki dheng pinkyang kali hadin ka jing persya da utrai jong kani ka jaka kabadon hajayaw taxi stand. Kador bas nong maukar kalapan pau ya kajing sngokia halor kani namar kikwa bakum kini ki project kintrekam na kabenta kabha kamyat jong ubabun balang habakren syakilat pathai khubor o assistant rang bas nong kamaukar uba ransom sutnga ulaong bakador bas nong kamkwa bakani ka project kan sange no katkum uba ransom kani kadai tangka project jong kador bas nong namar kilaya don benta bat kani ka project nadu balapun yaka.
Mentah ke sengi pada namta kan ni ke jayau bok parking hune tabala stang mentah kadon ke jing thut khmiat soi hang ni pa ka bidai bak ni ke jing tai hang ni te kawe ke long bangiyo ya kan ni ke complete ke jing ujor nak ni ki nak tai kawe ke mo ka yi hang tai ki om bak ki por batrai ya kan ni ke kam hang ni te mentah ke sengi long nak liang jing ke dor pasnong kum la ong mene ba ni ngi kwa bak ni kam kan ya be bak ni ke kam kan nom sange Namar bakani ketika pet project jongka dorbasno nadu pasdang nilai kendu bak smart city tam bede begini project.
Ka Civil Hospital Nongpo Riboy District kala pelat ya ka Special Newborn Care Unit ka baningkong hinin kasngi ka SNCU ka don ya kitiar kitar banbu ya ki kelung ki bakha klempat dak benai bat ki badon hapedeng ka jingpang da ka ba pentikna bakin yo ya ka jingsumar ka bapaka nadu baki dangkha. Haba ajing kran syakilat pathai khubor i Dr. HB Buam ibadai pediatrics bat ibadai pet ya ka SNCU ila pentip bakani ka sien jam ka long kum ka jingyat lenti ban ai ka jing sumar bapaka na ka benta ki khulung hanong po bat ki jaka ba jan. I Dr. Buam ila penrap ba kani ke hospital kan ya ke jing syakri lingba ke jing don ya shipoteli ke jing thia ringkat ki tiar kitar na ke benta ban ai jing sumari ki kelung ki bedang syukha ki badon hapedeng ke jing pang ke jing shitam.
Di nong chong nong boy district nomor bunsin ni ki kelung bedang syukha ki bom yang bah tinggi hap syukha bisa yu sebetulnya les selong terkalong di lubang sibun lagi long chong nong boy tidak kajing don gini ka SNCU kan penmentoy bahai ki nama ba mentara mundur kulung yam tik layo begini special care ne kim don kam chu balle selong kim don kam chu balle sebetulnya te khamtam ki kulung ki bastem ro kalau ba simple bah ki kulung bastem tinggi hap sebetulnya dan sudah selong dan nomor dari gilis sebetulnya ro kan ki bastem dah song rem dahได้จริงสุมาร์โตแต่มาฮันเน่ไลออฟฟรีลนั่นองชิดองตั้งแต่
Karaj Bhavan Shillong hinin kasngi kalapdiang ya ka jingpenlong ya ka program riti dustur ban rakhe ya ka lingkhu sngi seng ka bahan riu pusau jong ka Maharashtra pat Gujarat ulat ka jilla Meghalaya upagu Chauhan ulalong ukongsan ha kane kasngi lembat kiwe ki kinrem ki lindan hakane ka program kila don ki jingpen i ya ka put ka tem tinrai lembat ka jingshat ka bapen i ya ka jingreu spa ka culture jong ka Maharashtra bat Gujarat kinong wan shakane ka program kila yo banmat ya ki jingbam baper jong kini ki artali ki jaka bat layo ru ya ka kerwo na ulat ka Gujarat u acharya devrat Larakhe ya kani ka jingle kemen haman ki Raj Bhavan hakeleng kari ban yatrai lang bat ka ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat jong ka sarkar pedeng.
This diversity is reflected in the performing arts of Maharashtra.
Ka third district level inter-school athletic meet 2024 ha Eastern West Khasi Hills district kalasdang hinne kasngi ha KSA Mission Playground Mairang. Lapin ipu iping ya kani ka limpung da ka jingdon bentalang ikong Darlin Konglam ibadai esports officer jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ringkat ka jingdon lang ikong ballerina sim ibadai EDSO ka West Khasi Hills district ka jingishim bentalang urang ba shnong ki khina school bat kiwe de Minta usnem ki don hadu arpulai teli ki school ki balawan banishim benta bat ki don lai teli ki category kata ka jingyale kai high jump shot put throw 100-meter race naka benta ki under 14 under 16 but under 18 kuntup ya ki kentai bachinrang Minta ngin yapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shalong Kajing shit kalong 0.0 degree Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong katsau degree Celsius. Kajing siam kahau kalong sapupra nakshaspa minstep, but lai punyo nakshaspa janmit. Kala abandon kajing hap slap kaba melumala hakikat tu kan nikijaka. Syaban poi syakabakut jang katup kubor ngin yapit biang sesisi ni kimat bakongsan. Ailat ka sarkar yanu ban shim ya ka an hala ka jong kakti ang usambot menteri rangba uba preston tensa. An pentrekam ka sarkar ya kaptu kat ni ki project ki basyong dor lai spa sanpo kolor tingka ban pin KM ya ki telong hakawa yo bat kanol ang menteri ka tanat PHE Marcus Marak. Betha usambut Menteri Rangba ya CEO ke SMB bat ya Director ke Tanat Penroisor ban Penshisha ya ki jingtip lingba ke RTI. Binyau ke seng HYC halor ke jingken tho usambut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba Preston Tensok. Bat pediang ke Raj Bhavan Shillong ban rakhe ya ka lingkhu sni seng ka bahan ru pusau jong ka jila Maharashtra bat Gujarat. Te parlok katu ngila poi syaka bekut jong ka thup khabar jingi menta ka janmit hadu bangidai syambiang bat pila syai kasni kublai pi barok.
Trail today in Karnataka. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi addressed a public meeting in Shivamogga. Kharge assured the voters that the